Hi, I'm Alice Ely with Wakemantown Farm. I'm here today to teach you how to take a soil test. A lot of you are talking about doing veggie gardens this spring, which is great. And I want to show you the first and most important step you're going to do to have a good success with your crops this summer. So this is how you do a soil test. Start with a clean bucket, clean trowel, and you go to the area where you're going to plant, and you dig in and take a nice, like a 6-inch slice down in of your soil. Put it in the bucket, and you do that 10 more times all around the area where you're going to plant. The idea is to end up with an average of the composition of the soil that you have. Once you have your sample mixed up in the bucket, you're going to take a plastic bag, put about 1.5 cups of that mixed soil into the bag, and then you're going to go online to soiltestyukon.edu. And when you get there, you're going to find the form that you fill out. Note that it has a code that you make up. This is just to designate your sample and to differentiate them if you have more than one. And a crop code. The crop code comes from a list they provide, but you will probably want to put HV1, which stands for a mixed vegetable garden. If you were doing a very specific crop such as pumpkins, they have a whole list of crops and you can look that up. But let's assume HV1. Okay, so you have your form filled out, you have your sample, and you put it in a box with your check for $12. I swear to you, best $12 you're ever going to spend, and you ship it off by UPS to Yukon and wait a couple weeks for the results, which will come to you by email. When you get the results, it's going to look like this, and the important thing to notice is these bars going across, and they designate the amount of key nutrients that are in your soil. And what's immediately obvious is this soil is fine for everything but potassium. See this short bar? Not enough potassium would have caused real problems with growing the crop. So when you get this, they will also tell you on the back of the form exactly how much and what kind of potassium to add to make your soil right again. And with all that, you're going to have just the information you need to grow your crop. So good luck, happy growing, and this is Alice Ely with Wakemantown Farm.